Alright guys, I can't remember if I've done a video on one of these yet, but this one's a little different. This is a Chevy Sonic LTZ Turbo. Oh, I did a cruise. I don't know if y'all have even seen that video yet, but this is a little Sonic with the LTZ package and the turbo. And man, this thing is hard loaded. We got leather. We got, you know, the upgraded head unit. We got heated seats. Seems like a nice little rig. Got 91,000 miles. No warning lights. As a trade-in at the Nissan store. Thing about these cars is the 1.4T. I think I've said it before. They're iffy, man. You got to be careful. Iffy. Leak oil, blow up, whatever. But this one seems healthy and strong. And with only 91,000, maybe it's still a decent car. But we're about to find out. Let's see how she does here. Oh, yeah. These damn cars don't have a temp gauge anymore. That aggravates the shit out of me. Man, she's got great pickup. Great get up and go. Yeah. Yeah. No sunroof though. No, that was another option. Let's do another little walk around here. Let's see what we got. Oh, another Mazda 6. Man, I like those cars. Okay. So see, this is a sharp little package right here. Got the nice alloy wheels. We got fair tires. Well, the back ones look newer. A few little scratches, but no major dents or dings. No, just one new tire in the back. The other three are matching and, you know, have maybe 30 or 40% tread. Clean little car though. Well, they had a dog. I can see some dog hair there. Boy, that Buick has been popular today. Good looking old Sabre. Yeah, she's pretty clean. Probably bring $20,000. Oh Lord, the market we're living in today. I'm just after my sob, people. After my sob. But this one has potential. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace. Ooh, look at that old Dodge Dart. Man, that thing looks like it's been sitting under a tree. Peace.